Each lab group selects an animal to dissect, and each of the animals represent the major animal groups. We have a squid, which would represent an invertebrate. We have a dogfish shark, which would represent fish. We have a bullfrog for amphibians. We have a rattlesnake for reptiles. And we have a pigeon for birds. And then on the mammal side, we have a rabbit and a pig.
Yeah, it's under
Here, then you become stomach, and then you're gonna morph into the intestines, and then finally out, they have a cloaca.
This is a squid, right?
Yep. Yeah. We are dissecting a rattlesnake, and the point of the lab is to find the animal's internal organs.
because it's like decayed.
Dude, am I gonna make it in the yearbook? We are dissecting the jackrabbit, and it's pretty big. It's pretty fun. It's like a treasure hunt, kind of, but more gross. If you're interested in dissecting something, you should either take zoology or AP Bio, which is this class, both of which are pretty easy classes. But in zoology, you definitely dissect a bunch more, but this is the only time we dissect AP Bio.